To begin, click the New List button to create a fresh company list. We will use the Lookalike Company Finder to find similar companies. From here, enter the desired number of companies to find and display in results. Then, click the Create List button to generate similar companies matching your criteria. Following this, click the Toolbox button to start qualifying your companies. Let's search and use the Domain Status Checker and determine if the websites are live or not. Next, click Check Domain Status to add it as a tool column in your list. Afterwards, select the website column from the drop-down menu to check domain status. Following that, click the Create Column button to save your domain status configuration. Following that, click the Run Column button to execute the domain status check. Following that, click Run All Rows to execute the automation across entire dataset. Then, click the Toolbox button to access additional tools and make more filters. Next up, click Remote Policy Finder. This will be our next qualifier. After that, select Website from the drop-down to choose the Website column. Next, click Add Condition to set up filtering criteria. This is how you'll qualify and enrich only the companies that match your ideal customer profile. We only want to find the remote policy for companies with live websites. After that, enter the value in the field to set the condition. The value to enter here is live. Now, click Create Column to finalize your Remote Policy Finder configuration and add it as a tool. After that, click the Play button to run the Remote Policy Finder column. Then click Run All Rows to execute the action across all dataset entries. Next, click the Toolbox button to set up your next filter. Search for and click the Chatbot Technology Detector tool to identify chatbot technologies. Afterwards, click the drop-down to select the website column for chatbot detection. Then, select the website column option to detect chatbot technologies. Following that, click Add Condition to configure when this tool should run based on column values. Next, select Company Remote Policy Status, Website, from the drop-down menu. After that, enter the condition value in the text field to specify the filtering criteria. We only want to find chatbot tech for only remote-first companies. Then click the Create Column button to finalize and generate the Chatbot Detector column. Next up, click the Play button to execute the Chatbot Technology Detector column analysis. Then click Run All Rows to execute the workflow on the entire dataset. Next up, click the Toolbox button to access additional tools and features for your analysis. Search and click to add the Find Target Audience tool to categorize your audience by business type. From here, select the Website column option to categorize your audience data. Following this, click Add Condition to set parameters for your audience targeting. Next, select Company Remote Policy Status, Website, from the drop-down menu. Next up, enter the value in the field to complete the column condition configuration. Then, click the Create Column button to finalize your audience targeting configuration. Now, click the Play button to run the Find Target Audience column analysis. After that, click Run All Rows to execute the analysis across the entire dataset. See example, the website down status was skipped for all the rest of the tools. Now we have made the filters we need. Depending on your workflow, you can have as many as you need, including using custom tools for custom data points. We can now find relevant contact person for only the companies that meet our conditions. Next up, click on the People Finder Agent tool to access profile enhancement capabilities. Next up, select Company Name from the drop-down menu to specify the company field. From here, select the Website column to specify the company website URL source. Now, select Website from the drop-down menu to choose this data field option. Finally, enable the checkbox to find email addresses for the profiles. Make sure to set the conditions to only find contacts for the remote-first, B2B companies' live websites. Afterwards, click the Update Column button to save all configured settings and add the People Finder Agent as a tool column. From here, click the Play button to execute the CEO, CFO, Head of HR Profiles automation. Once you execute the People Finder Agent, you will notice that only relevant rows that meet the conditions are being enriched. Once your results are done coming in, you can transpose to see the results in a well-arranged usable table. Click the 3 dots on the column. Next, click Transpose column to reorganize the table data layout. And there you have it. Contacts identified for only the companies that